let's go over all of the parts inside of this gaming computer as you see the benchmarks on the actual computer. So first up, we have a GIGABYTE B760 motherboard. We've used this a couple of times. Overall, good motherboard. I don't really care for the GIGABYTE application for RGB and that kind of stuff, but other than that, it's a good motherboard. For the CPU, we're going to be using an i5-13400. We got 32 gigabytes of DDR5. We also have a ZOTAC RTX 4060 that we're going to be using as the dedicated graphics card. We have a 1 terabyte NVMe to Kingston, 1 terabyte NVMe. Overall, Kingston, pretty solid company. Not going to run into any problems. And then we have the Thermaltake 700 watt power supply. As far as the case, we have a BeQuiet case set. I'm already forgetting the model number. The BeQuiet fans, cool fans. I like the way that they look. It also comes with the same fans in the front. And overall, BeQuiet, very solid, premium quality company is the only way that I can think to explain it. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this fella. And yeah, you will have already seen the benchmarks, what the final computer looks like, and all that kind of stuff. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.